Okay, so I just received this from Amazon because I decided to order it, and I needed something that was compact and hopefully easy to use, that I could basically get data off of hard drives when they come in, because I kept using a computer that I kept taking up and down, and having multiple different devices to be able to connect up. This thing apparently does it all. So we're going to go ahead and get it opened up, check out what it has on it, and see if it's any good. So I hope you found this unboxing and showing off what it can do useful. I was doubtful about even buying it, but now I'm kind of glad I did. So we'll see how it performs in the future for data recovery jobs. Thank you, have a great day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. So now I'm gonna go grab some of my recordings. These are not very big, but it'll be better than nothing. And we're just gonna grab like several files and drop them on. 300 plus megabytes per second. That's pretty good. Oh, it dropped. No, it went back up. I would say this is a decent little device. Nice. Okay, stop that. Okay. Well, I paid, I want to say 45 bucks for this device, and it seems to work pretty well. I will try to give a review on it later on to see how it does over time and go from there. Okay, so let's make sure that's off. It's a USB-C cable, so let's plug in the C. That is not very tight, but that works. And then the other end is C, or it has a convenient little attached adapter to go USB 3. And that does look like it's 3.0, which is good. And then we have our power, which we're gonna plug in. And we'll bring that over here and plug it into the front of my computer. And I grabbed various various types of drives, including SATA. I'm not gonna do anything with hard drives, just solid state. So let's make sure these connect up. I'll unlock my machine. And we'll plug one in. So this is a SATA SSD. Power on. So it looks like this is a on-off switch for the fan. Yep, on-off switch. Oh, you can actually hear it. Not a whole lot of airflow, but I guess just enough to keep something moving around it. And yep, it definitely recognized. Came up as this one right here. Okay, let's switch that back off. Let's see if it recognizes SATA M.2. Nice little click. Wow, that one recognized instantly. So that's a good thing. Yep, that one instantly recognized. Let's try this one. I don't know if there's a difference in these two. Instant recognition, that's a blank SSD. Okay, now we're going to try I think this is a 2 terabyte. Nope, 256. 256, I believe NVMe. That one instantly recognized, that's awesome. So far, we have some good airflow, moderate airflow I should say, and it is recognizing every drive I've thrown at it so far. And the last one. And on this one I should be able to test data transfer speeds as well. Okay, yep, that one recognized as well. So everything I just threw at it, it recognized flawlessly. Okay, so as we open the box, we are presented with power, a USB 3.0 adaptive cable, which we'll open up in a second. Below that, we have the device itself, and that looks like that's it. So get rid of that. I don't have my tripod on me, so I can't exactly just set this down. There's the device. It's fan power adaptive. Yeah. It has a fan to keep the devices cool. And then we're going to open up the USB cable and attach it to the back, I'm presuming. Yep. So there's an on-off switch. There's USB Type-C, the ability to potentially either turn on or off or speed up the fan, and then you got the 12-volt barrel jack. So let's get the USB cable out.